Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with rear bunkhouse, front bedroom, carbon monoxide detector, stainless sink, entry grab handle, living room fireplace, double door refrigerator, smoke detector, spare tire, big corner shower, automatic levelers, bath and a half, overhead kitchen storage, dual entry doors in bathroom, outside shower, entertainment center, bathroom sink, walk-around queen bed, linen cabinet, 3-burner range, mirrored wardrobe doors, 2 entrances, trifold sofa sleeper, flush mount gas range cover, dual lights over headboard, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, stainless steel kitchen appliances, outside kitchen refrigerator, bathroom cabinet with mirror, ducted AC, bathroom toilet, bathroom has private entrance to the outside, fire extinguisher, pull-out spray faucet, mini blinds, over-the-range microwave, vanity with sink, dual bedroom nightstands, outside kitchen sink, living area television, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, booth dinette, LED exterior lighting, LED interior lighting, cable TV hookup, triple slides, an awning, high-rise faucet, wardrobe with storage drawers, underbed storage, decorative wood plank flooring, outside speakers, sleeps up to 8 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.